There are three main ways to renew your passport. The first way is the internet. The Department of Transportation's online passport renewal program is now available, allowing qualified citizens of the United States to renew their passports online. Before you start, be aware that the system will close once a predetermined amount of renewals have been made. It will open for a brief window each day at noon Eastern Time. The second way is by good old-fashioned snail mail postal system. Here is how to mail in a passport renewal. As long as it's largely undamaged, you can renew your passport by mail if you have an expired or soon-to-expire passport that was issued during the last 15 years and when you were at least 16 years old. You must turn in the following supporting documentation. Form DS-82. Fill out the application for DS-82 renewal. Current passport. It is required that you send in your current U.S. passport. However, if you enjoy looking back on all of your stamps, you should not worry, as your new passport should come with the original. Add a fresh photo for your passport that satisfies the specifications. Check or money order. After calculating the necessary fees for renewing your passport, you must pay with a check or money order made payable to U.S. Department of State, with the applicant's full name and birth date printed on the front. At this moment, cash payments or internet payments are not accepted. All of your materials, including your previous passport and any documentation pertaining to a name change, can be mailed in a big envelope to one of the National Passport Processing Center's authorized P.O. boxes via the U.S. Postal Service. The location changes based on your state of residence and whether you select between regular or expedited service. Please be aware that your application will be returned to you unprocessed if you choose a delivery option other than USPS. The third and final way to renew your passport is to physically walk into an office. Here is how to physically renew your passport. If your passport was issued before the age of 16, has been misplaced, stolen, or is more than 15 years old, you must renew it in person with the required paperwork. Form DS-11. The DS-11 passport application can be completed manually or online, but you must wait for an authorized agent to give you permission to sign the document before doing so. Evidence of U.S. nationality. An original or certified copy of a U.S. birth certificate, a certificate of naturalization, a certificate of citizenship, or another document can serve as this proof. A money order or check made out to the U.S. Department of State. Additionally, there will be a $35 acceptance facility fee that can be paid by a money order, check, cash, or card at certain locations. Good luck and safe travels.